everyone, Kimberly Berg, clinical exercise physiologist in the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. Today I'm going to be talking to you about proper head and neck alignment when you're doing your mat work. It's important. We work so hard to get our alignment correct when we're moving about in space and making sure that our gait is good, all that really hard work when we're standing. Why wouldn't we take that to the mat and carry through that same training? What happens often is people in haste, they know they want something under their neck because maybe their posture is a little forward and they're in a boxing class, so they reach and what do they grab? They grab their boxing glove and they put it down and they put their head on that. Well, that puts their neck and head in terrible alignment. It actually promotes that forward head posture that we're trying to train you out of because it's too much padding. It's also uneven where it's a little bit more here, a little less here. And so the boxing glove is the last thing you should have under your head when you are doing floor work. So what do we use instead? These simple garden kneelers, you can get them anywhere at the dollar store or any department store. They're 1/2 inch, they're inexpensive. We have them all over the gym so that nobody ever has to use their boxing glove under their head. And you can stack them, so it's very individualized. So if your gym or at home, you don't have proper head padding, go out and get some and take them to class with you and you'll know, like for me, I use one and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go down and lay down here like I'm gonna do my bridges, and I know that one padding is clearly gonna be a good alignment for me. I can feel my ears over my shoulders, my ribs are in a good place, and even when I go up into my bridge, it's not nodding my chin too much, and I can check. I can go, can I swallow? Can I sing? Can I turn my head? Yes to all of those. You want to make sure and just do that swallow test and see if you can swallow. So I know I'm in good alignment and I'm confident with that. So if I was going to use my boxing glove, take this out, grab the boxing glove, that would be way too much padding under my head. You can clearly see that's ridiculous for me to use my boxing glove under my head just because it's convenient. So remember that the next time you're doing your floor work, is your head and neck in the right position? And it doesn't matter if you're only going to be down there a few minutes. Everything we do matters. So we want to always be training our brain, training our bodies, that they should stay in really good posture. And if you're interested, we have posture school. We have both in-gym posture school, seated and standing. We have virtual posture school courses. Check that out, and we'll show you how to properly get your head in alignment. So go out and get some kneelers and have someone help you by looking to see if your alignment's good so that you have confidence that when you're down doing your floor work, you're doing great things for your body. That is my quick hit for today. If you like this video, go to my website, rebelfitclub.com, where you can find a questionnaire. Tell me a little bit about yourself. If you're interested in contacting me directly, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to get back to you and tell you how our videos or our in-gym program can help slow down your Parkinson's and change the game for you. With our virtual program, you can take us anywhere with you because we have live classes throughout the day, all levels. Plus, we have a recorded library that includes Tai Chi and yoga and stretch. Whatever you're looking for, I bet we have it either in the gym or in our virtual program. So thanks so much for watching. Check out the posture school. We have posture school in gym, seated, standing, or a virtual course. So if you're somewhere else and you want to work on your posture, I'm happy to guide you through that. Thank you so much for watching. Never lose hope. And as always, go forth and conquer.